it's you are now one of the biggest names in cinema, clearly. What is it like working with 1, 2, 3, 2? What do you do on set? What's your...
First, I should thank producer and
We touch each other's feet.
Never allowed me to do that, but it was be honest.
They're all ragging him. I can see that. I can see that. You're pulling his leg. He's my friend's an introvert, sir. He's very all-powerful in the movies, but he's really an introvert and sweet man.
But what's wrong with touching his feet?
Tell me, boss, what's up? How is it working with, I think, line on each?
yeah. So I should thank Datkar and Nagi for giving me an opportunity with such greatest legends. It's like bigger than dream. And I don't know what to say. I was like, first time when Amitabh sir and I touched his feet, he said, don't do it. If you do it, I'll do it. Sir, please, I can't do it. We grew up watching my uncles had your hairstyle. He's the first actor in the country who reached every part of the country. South, North, we all know in Telugu, Tamil, you know, we saw like Amitabh Bachchan's hairstyle, that hairstyle tall. Any tall people, they call Amitabh Bachchan. In South, he's the first actor I think who reached that. Kamal sir, when his Sagar Sangam came, I asked my mother, I want this dress. My cousins, if he had, Guru Chandra had a tummy and they used to put a cloth on their stomach and they used to act in front of us. And I'm working with them. It's just like something unbelievable.
And the lovely lady to your left.
So sorry. Yeah, and Deepika, I always
The
wanted
fact that he has said more than 2 sentences, we should
He's the big one.
say-
Please, big round of applause, please.
Yeah. So yeah, Deepika, I wanted to work with her always, and some actors who can reach around such an international level, and such a beautiful, gorgeous, and superstar, and a great actress. And it's beautiful to work with you. Thank you so much. So, yeah, that's it. I think.
Actually, I'm like this because of all the food he's fed me.
Okay, let's start by talking about that. Did all of you all eat great food on set? No?
Yes, got to see,
This man?
yes. Every day. And it got to a point where it wasn't just
No
food
way.
coming from home. There was like full catering service. So the highlight of the day almost became what is Prabhas feeding everyone. And for those who know him well, know that he feeds from the heart. So
Awesome. So Deepika, when I was speaking to Nagi, I said, who do I talk about the story and who should reveal most things? He said, I think Deepika should speak about it. So we see you carry, I mean, at first I thought you were like really in character trying to do this, but can you talk about your role and the film? Why?
you didn't ask any of them that question.
No, Nagi put that in me. He said she is the one you should ask.
Can't. I think he said a lot about the movie and the worlds, but I mean, I think what I can definitely say is that it's unlike anything we've experienced or seen before. So even when I remember doing the narration for this through COVID, and Nagi was on Zoom and I was on the other end, and I think much like Kamal sir said, you know, you could see sparks of genius in him, even though this is just his second or third movie. You could tell that it was, as he was narrating, there wasn't much on paper, but it was all in his mind. And every time he spoke and you look, and even now when you look into his eyes, you can see that, you know, the entire visual of what he's envisioned over the years is so clear. And that's the only time, and I mean it in a good way, where you actually hear him speak, and speak so articulately, because that's the one thing that he's just completely consumed by and, you know, passionate about. And but yes, I mean, I really don't know, very honestly to your question, I don't know how much I can and cannot say, But yes, I play the mother, and yeah, and then the movie's out on the 27th for everyone to discover the rest of it.
So welcome to Telugu cinema. That I guess I have to say that to you.